After spending many hours researching various prompt styles and using several AI prompt tools like this one, and this one, and this one, I came across a method for prompting Midjourney that I think could be a game changer for startup print-on-demand entrepreneurs like myself. I'm going to demonstrate how to use Allura to find winning designs so you can optimize your listings. I'll also demonstrate how to remove the background and enhance your image for the best print quality. And stay tuned because I'll be revealing not only tips and tricks for generating amazing images in Midjourney, but also optimizing your listing. So what is print on demand and why should you be interested? Well, the reason I'm interested is because I see shops like this one that has made over $12 million, as well as this one that has generated over $8,000 in sales just this month, with over $1 million in total sales. And with the techniques I'm about to show you, combined with the amazing images you're going to learn to create in this video, I truly believe you'll have no trouble getting this side hustle up and running for yourself. So without further ado, let's dive in. So to get started, we need to do some product research to determine what products in our particular niche have the highest potential for good sales. I always like to start right here in Etsy. Here you just want to browse the topics that you're interested in to find the best sellers with the most positive reviews in your niche. So once you have selected a few designs that are selling well, and you have a page full of top sellers to choose from, now you can move on to further analyze one of these shops with Allura. And don't worry, Allura is completely free. You'll get 10 hard searches per month, which is plenty to get you started. Once you're here in Allura, you want to use the analyzer tool. You just need to put the shop name in here and search. Then this free tool will analyze every product in this person's shop. As you can see, this shop is doing very well with 1.18 million total sales and 8.17 thousand in monthly sales. Now we need to focus on the products with the highest monthly sales, so we're not wasting our time with products that aren't currently selling. This tool allows you to see all of the shop's listings, thumbnails, tags, etc. Everything you need to know to set up your own shop in similar fashion. So now that we know what is currently selling and hot in our niche, we are ready to move on to the next step. And this is the fun part, creating our designs. And pay attention here, this trick is powerful and I think it's going to help a lot of you come up with some amazing designs of your own. So what we need to do is browse the designs we picked out earlier and choose our favorite. Then you want to go ahead and take a screenshot of the image. And finally, we can head over here to Midjourney. Full disclosure here, you will need to purchase Midjourney's $10 Pro subscription plan to be able to sell your images commercially, as we plan to do. Once you're in Midjourney and you have yourself a bot room open or a newbie room open and you're ready to generate images, then you need to type in /settings. Now this is the important part. You need to select Niji version 4 and you need to change the style from medium to high. Now that you have adjusted your settings, you need to type in /describe. And once you hit enter, you'll get this pop-up that allows you to drag and drop your images from your computer. Then Midjourney will generate 4 descriptions of your image. Now just choose whatever description you would like to use as a prompt. Now you just select one of the 4 from underneath your screenshot here, and this box will pop up where you can alter your prompt. Now you do want to take a second here and remove any of the S qualities. They don't work in the Niji setting. So I'm going to remove the S250. And also if there's anything referring to a shirt or a black sweatshirt, you're going to have to remove that. Then just click submit and it will begin to generate your images. And as you can see, Midjourney produces some amazing images with this method. And the images produced are actually very similar to the images on the product that we chose. So if you've made it this far in the video, I would like to encourage you to please smash that like button and consider subscribing to my channel. So now after you have experimented with this prompt technique for a minute and you've developed some images you're happy with, we can then move on to the final step of the process, fixing these images up and getting them ready for print. For this, we're going to utilize Photopea. And no worries, again, this is completely free. So from Midjourney, you want to right-click your upscaled image and save it to your computer. Now you need to open up photopea.com And once you're here, you'll simply drag and drop your image anywhere on this page and it will open it up in their editor. Now once you're in the editor, simply click select, then click remove background. And bam, this free software does an amazing job of removing your backgrounds. Now you also need to select image, go down to image size, then you want to adjust the DPI from 72 to 300, which will enlarge and enhance your images for print quality. And as promised, here's another quick tip. If you increase the tolerance on the background remover tool from 40 to 400, it'll erase virtually anything. Watch how I can dot the eyes in the blackest part of my image and it goes right to the background. And that's it. We have now successfully generated our images in Midjourney and prepared them for print. And as you can see, when you place these images on your mockups, they retain the highest resolution. There you have it. You're now ready to generate some amazing images with winning designs that you can list on whatever print-on-demand service you prefer. And if you like any of these designs you've seen in this video, my Etsy store is open. I'll leave a link in the description for my shop, as well as for all the software used in this video. And if you have made it to the end of this video, I want to thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.